Hello everyone and welcome back to Introduction to Microsoft Excel Lesson 2. I'll be instructor Aris Flores and let's get started. What is a cell? A cell is an intersection of a column and row. A cell address identifies a cell by a column letter and a row number. What is an active cell? An active cell is the current cell. It displays a dark green border around the active cell, and the cell address of the active cell appears in the name box. For this example, I'm going to type Monday through Wednesday. I will type Monday, and if you want to go to the next cell, hit the Enter key on your computer. When you press Enter, the next cell down in the same column becomes the active cell. Now I'm going to type Tuesday, and I'll be pressing the Enter key. It goes down to the next cell. Now I'm going to type Wednesday, and I will also be adjusting the column. To go to the second column, which is column B, row 1, as in cell B1, you click on A1 with your mouse. Then press the Tab key on your computer. The Tab key allows you to move to the next cell on the right. I'll be writing numbers 1 to 3. So I'll type 1, press Enter, and it goes back to A2. In order to go back to column B, use the arrows on your computer, going to the right arrow, and it takes you back to B2, column B. Now, type 2, press the Enter key. Type 3, press the Enter key. You can see the text is aligned to the left, and the numbers are aligned to the right. Now, let's say you accidentally typed 5. When you meant to type 4, you press the Escape key on your computer, and it will erase what you have typed. If you want to delete content of your cell, you can use the Delete key on your computer, or you can use the Clear command located on the Home tab on the right side of your screen. As you can see, it's a purple little eraser icon, and it says Clear. The difference between the Delete key and the Clear command is that Delete leaves any previous formatting that you had, while Clear removes content, format, comments, notes, hyperlinks. Now gather everything you learned and do the following example on your own. I will help you along the way in case you need help. In order to do the following example showcased on the right side of my screen, click on A1 and type grocery shopping list. In order to adjust the cell, click on a different cell and move your mouse between column A and B. Click on this and slowly move your mouse towards the right. You want to change the font color and make it bold, so highlight the text, go to font color, click red, and click bold. Now go to A2 and type item, and you want to highlight the text, go to font, click bold, and underline. In order to go to B2, press the Tab key and type quantity and highlight the text, go to font, click on bold, and underline. Now go to A3 and type tomatoes, parentheses, case of 12. In order to go to B3, press the Tab key and type 3. Now, click on A4 with your mouse and type corn meal, parentheses, 25 pounds, period, parentheses. Now, if you want to go to B4, press on the Tab key and it will take you to B4 and type 2. Remember, in order to rename the sheet, right-click with your mouse, click Rename, and for this example, we wrote June 26. And remember, in order to rename the default name that's given for Excel, go to File, Save As, Browse, and of course you could save it anywhere. I'll be saving it in the desktop. In the following example, we named it Grocery Shopping Workbook. And click on Save. Now your work is saved, and you can be able to do the following example on your own. Good luck! Now that's a wrap. Thank you for watching and choosing Lecturers.